Well, I'm all by myself. But I'm gonna unbox my new scooter! Yay! And it's the Neon Vector. Like, when I was at Napua, me and my brother really wanted it. So now we got it. Okay, let's unbox it now. How do I do it? Okay, I think I know. I got my scissors. There's tape here, so I think I just... This nice scissor is so sharp. It's like a knife. Nice. Yeah. Cut. Scissors again. Wait. I got this from the mall in Calgary. How do you say Calgary? I don't know. Come on, guys. Sorry. Whoa, so cool. What the? A box. Cute box. I keep it there. Whoa, so cool. Let's take it out. Nice. There's some more things there. Oh, guys, look at this. So cool. Whoa. Oops. Okay, guys, look. So cool. How do I do this? Ow. How do I do this? How do I do it? I take. Whoa, that's cool. Nice. How do I do this? Okay, I'm gonna call my brother. Okay. My dad and my brother is done helping me. And look at this. It's so cool. Whoa, there's even like the black, like, yeah, like blue and black is so cool. Neon Vector, so cool. Like this part, nice. Look, guys, it will light up, look. Nice. Yeah. And this is like electric, because look in the picture. Whoa. Well, maybe that's just like edited. Okay, let's go outside now, okay? We're at the school now, and look at this. So cool. I'm going to see if I can do a trick. Well, it's not really a good one. I don't even know if that really jump. But this is just so cool. Black and blue. Like, those colors are so good. Nice. Wow. There's lots of flies. Guys. And guys, if you go to your friend's house and like you stay there very long, and then like it's getting dark, super dark, and you don't got flashlights or anything, you can, and you got this scooter, it's okay. Like, it looks like you're a police. Police. We're gonna talk to someone. Guys, we're gonna end this video because there's lots of flies here and we have to eat. And please subscribe our channel and like and share this to your family and friends, okay? Bye! Yeet!